Whoa! Oh, shit! It's your boy Y'all Mike, or Mike, and today we are going into the climax of Season 4's Overhaul arc, which is going to be, I can only guess, fucking amazing. Because last week, I didn't get to react to it because I happened to watch it with my cousins because it was over break and I didn't have a spot to actually record in. And I didn't want to miss this week. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to stick with the sub because I'm just too impatient to wait for the dub a week later. Just how it is. Which I don't really mind. I can watch both of them, sub or dub, interchangeably. So it's fine. For me. But anyways, this week, Deku, it's his time to shine. And I don't like how they spoiled last week with the cliffhanger, calling it infinite 100%. Like, now I know what's gonna fucking happen. But either way, I can still get excited. I would rather have been surprised. Anyways, let's just jump into it because I'm so fucking ready to watch this shit. I got my Deku merch swagged out. So, let's jump into it, y'all. This dude just hulks out. I'm not sure if he's as strong as muscular, but sure fucking looks like it. Alright, I want to see her power. Oh, that didn't do shit. They just dropped him and they fell through? Oh my god. Shit. What is it? Is it just floating? What? Rewind like... What? I gotta see it in action. It's like rewind, like if you get hurt, you just get better. Oh, so that's how he's gonna use infinite 100%. Shit! I just fucking Jimmy Neutron brain blast. Holy shit! Man, what is this song? No. Man, I love this. This is amazing. This is like the best thing I've ever seen. This is so good. Man. Oh, hell yeah, Deku. Dude, the visuals this episode. Holy shit. He used 100%, so he went flying. That was awesome. Damn, Chase, like, just back to normal. Oh, fuck. He just, oh shit. You gotta leave it to him. This could be like city level damage right now. Oh hell, yeah, there you go. He's learning. Whoa! He has a hole in him. Oh, so that's what happened to her dad. I hope he keeps Mirio's cape on him. That would be amazing. He needs to keep it on him. If Mirio can't be a hero, Deku has to wear it. Oh yeah, adapt. Yo, he's going Super Saiyan. No, he's going 8 gates. Oh shit, he looks badass. Oh. So he found a point in time in our evolution where quirks didn't exist. Okay. And put it into a bullet. I just realized what he looks like right now. I was too busy contemplating. He looks fucking terrifying. Imagine seeing that. Fucking asshole. Whew. He's so much stronger than whatever Chisaki thinks he is right now. 100%? That's bananas. Oh, shit! Oh, shit. There's a hole in him. He's dead. Oh, wait, unless Eri can rewind him. Oh. That's cool. I like how the Mafia here, it's similar to the Yakuza here is similar to the Mafia in the US, at least the history of it. Where how, the old ways didn't like drugs, but then the new kids exploited it to get money, and they became the power dogs. Man, this Chrono guy, he looks like he's designed looking like a main villain, but he looks cool. Just took in a psychopath like JoJo. Hold on, is this the end of the episode? It can't be. They gotta keep fighting. Come on. Whoa! Whoa! Oh shit! Whoa! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh man! Dude, he's fucked! This episode is amazing! He went One Punch Man level shit. I don't think so, man. Deku changed it, yo. Yeah. Fuck! God damn it. Alright, I'm not gonna watch the preview for next week, but if there's an after scene, I'll watch that. But holy shit, that episode was amazing. Man, just revelation after revelation, man. Okay. Man, I gotta recap. I gotta take 5 out without taking actual 5 minutes. Okay. So, Eri can rewind time. So, effectively, any damage done to Midoriya can be erased, I guess. But at the same time, there's a timer in that. I'm not sure. There has to be a timer because otherwise he'll be rewinded back to oblivion. So is his body also being weakened? When she lets go, and I guess if he retains his quirk, wouldn't his body be weaker so he can't be able to use 20 or 8%, whatever level he's at, right, anymore? He'll be back to 5 or whatever. Is it making him weaker overall without One for All? I don't know. Oh, it's a preview. Okay. So I'm not going to watch the preview, like I said. But anyways. Oh, man. that before the halfway point where like they're playing that like crazy dramatic song, but it worked so well when he saved. He like Eri finally realized that she can be saved. That was amazing. And then when he unleashes the 100%, which is I don't think people. Well, I'm sure the fans do, but I don't think we as in I guess all fans understand how crazy strong 100% really is. Like the amount of force would murder anybody. Like just punching through a wall, like one wall with air. That alone kills you. It kills you. You're done. And he's using 100%, which is like a million walls. So Chisaki's done. I mean, he's definitely out cold now. Like he lasted longer than. I mean, I'm glad it lasted longer because I like longer fights. Like that was totally worth it. But I feel like he could have one shot at Chisaki if he wanted to. If he just went full on plus ultra into him, like with like a All Might did against Nomu. Like if he did that, he would have been done. Oh man, that was so good. Like Eri, I'm happy. It wasn't what I thought her power was. I thought her power was specifically erasing quirks, and like her blood was specifically enhancing or diminishing quirks. That's what I thought it was. But this is like I just didn't expect it to be time based. That's crazy. Um, yeah, so I guess Chisaki's backstory is similar to JoJo. Well, not JoJo, but Dio, in that he was the benevolent father took him in, and he just turns out to be fucking crazy. Like he's just out of his mind for no reason. I mean, his reasoning is to please his father by make him proud, even though the father clearly says he won't be. But Chisaki thinks he just doesn't know any better, and I'll have to show him when it's done. But after this, I mean, if Chizuki's beaten, the father stays that way. It's not like Chizuki's going to put him back together. He's not going to get the chance to. And then I guess maybe she could heal Night Eye with her quirk. Like, just rewind his hole. Like, okay, rewind his wound. Not hole. Oh. Yeah. So I guess next week, either Chizuki wakes up, which I don't see happening, or it's going to be like a resolution episode where like everything gets resolved, where Chizuki is arrested, all the plot points that are still hanging get answered. Uh, my bet is that Night Eye. I think Night Eye does die. I think he will. I don't think Aries going to be able to rewind him. I think he's unless she can bring people back from the. He should already be dead. There's a fucking hole in him. Uh, but anyways, yeah. Next week, maybe maybe we'll even see uh like them all maybe like a time skip where like everyone's healed and there's like dealing with the repercussions of what just happened. I want to see what the rest of the class and All Might and Deku. I want them to like explore their thoughts on how Mirio lost his quirk because like I want them to reconcile that because that's a big deal. And Deku has to probably think that uh, he could probably Deku. I'm not sure now, but I felt like Deku would have had to like wrestle with the idea of giving One for All to Mirio. Uh, I think that would be a cool internal dialogue with himself of him having to overcome that feeling and realize that it's up to like he's just as worthy like himself to and he should just keep it. I want to see that. Also, Kirishima and Fat Gum got a they're still down there, and Rappa and Tengai. But man, great episode. Super hyped for next week and seeing how this is all answered. But yeah, if you liked my reaction, if you love this episode and you want to see more, please like and subscribe. And comment your thoughts on this fight, because I thought it was amazing. I want to see how other people felt, because when I was watching the Mirio fight, I rewatched it and was like, okay, it's a slideshow, but it's definitely not. It was a slideshow, but it was good, like drawing. It was just colored manga panels, but I prefer that over the shit show that was Escanor versus Meliodas. I prefer the slideshow over that any day. But yeah, please like, subscribe. Y'all Might out.
The Techno Union Army is at your disposal, Count.